Assalamu alaikum, manu Dr. Gobru. History chapter 11. Adman is very short answer type question. Question number is here. What do you mean by epics? Answer Muksho. Epics are grand, long compositions about heroic men and women and include stories about gods. Question: who composed a famous Tamil epic, the Silappatikaram? Answer Muksho. Yem Panamuche Ilango. Catch a jawab Ilango. Second question: name a famous writer who wrote in Sanskrit. तो सुगो जवाब एमो कालिदासा. क्या तास नाम कालिदासा. Pachu question back. Name two famous Sanskrit epics. Dono naam chuan. Answer Mukta Ramayana and Mahabharata. Question: who was Aryabhat? Aryabhat was. Answer: Aryabhat was a mathematician and astronomer. Mishaj band the yam binazbel bushne ga theek poitini payete ki. The question number should be name the book written by Aryabhat. Tim kitabro naam using Aryabhat and Tishma. Which to catch looking Aryabhatiyam. That now Aryabhatiyam. Question to back: what were the common features of stupas? Answer Moksho. Stupa means a mound. In most of the stupas, a small box called a relic. Casket was kept at the center. This relic casket generally contained the bodily remains of Buddha and his followers. Question: write a brief note on Gar Bhagriba. Answer Muksho. Gar Bhagiraha was an important part of the temple, and Gari Bhagira, image of the chief deity, was placed. The priests performed a number of rituals there. The short answer type question is the yim gasen karan yaad be likhiyo ite karan yam to taaki toima aaj kun jayen yim short type answer question to kuni question hun jawab dun shortest months to yim chiz asan to zaruri ya to asan objectives months ya fill in the blanks months ya asan chi janabo right wrongs months तुम जिम सा तो याद ऐसे तो ये एक्यूरेट थे कन करियत यत कं तो याद ऐसे कोरमत तो अगर तय ऐसे लिखित ऐसे जो रंग या सो ठीक अगर ठीक तो उस ये असल पे याद को तो लिखियो ठीक है अगर तो और रंग लिखे तो एक दुपना से या सो गलत है लिखूं तो न्यूज़ ऐसे ठीक है दिस इज राइट वो याद मगर ये याद ऐसा तो कोरम बशते की याद कैसे आसान आधे को कुछ सवाल से जवाब दे इन शॉर्टस में या इन लॉन्गस में तो फिक्र तो यम गसन इतकन याद करन बेकस कॉपी ते करें खास कर बोस बार बनाते या इतकन जबानी का याद करने सचन बना के यो थे 5-6 भी का सवाल लिखना का तमो जवाब लिखना तो अद गसान सो ठीक पे याद तो रोजान सो पूर पे दिमागस में स्टोर गसित तो यम ते सात जरूरत पे सह पत ऑटोमेटिकली पाने पे तथन याद यथ कन सह लिखमुत आसे तो वनकस गो यूत बशर कि जिंदगी अम पे वो क्या प्रोग्राम आए सह हाव बह तुह हाँ